Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add About Us page on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the dashboard, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content, analytics. Here you're going to find marketing and discounts. And then here you're going to find online store and point of sale. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find apps. So go ahead and click on this plus icon if you want to add any application. So right now, in order to add the About Us page, click on online store. And then here you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Go ahead and click on pages. And after that, once you're here, click on add page here in the top right. And then as you can see guys right here, you can add your page. First of all, add a title. So I'm going to name it About Us. Then here you're going to find content. So you can type your About Us content. You can also generate it using AI. For example, I'm going to ask it, generate me About Us page. Click on generate, and then it will help you to generate the page, as you can see guys right here. And if you like it, you can just click on keep, and as you can see guys, it will be added. Here, as you can see guys, you can customize your text. Here you're gonna see how it will look like on the search engine. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the visibility settings. So once you add your About Us page, click on save and then it will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.